All right, so let's get some fenders off here. So now we're finally getting away from all the sand and in the dust. Get some fun stuff now. Well, not fun, but better. More exciting for you guys to watch. See this come together. Darn it. Forgot about the 10 mil in there. Of course. Get in the rush, that's what happens. So we get so on them little drip rail pieces I get to weld in, I get to put a little, it's not really a nut, but it's a C-clip that I made so I can put in and weld flush to, so the bolt to the fender will go into it, because on the nut that's welded on is way off, so I'm going to put a new one on and it'll line up better. Hopefully it will line up better. Okay. So, like I said, it's that right there. It was a C-clip. I cut it off so I can put it in the hole. And weld it flush. So we'll get some welding done here. All right. Wear safety glasses today. It's not fun to get metal in your eyes. Stay up all night. Then go to the hospital and get it dug out. Let's see if I get you guys set up better here. All right, let's dig the welder out. Get that welded up. Should have had all this done before I did anything else, but of course I didn't. All right. Let's see if I can burn myself here. Got my eyelid welding helmet on. There, just tack that new thread in there, so the bolt to the fender will go in. That's where the other one was, that come factory, this little end piece there. So I'm going to weld that hole up and make it look like it wasn't there. Except I'm getting my helmet. Move my mic. All right. All right, that one's all tacked on. Get rid of my sweater, she's warm in here. Ugh. All right, I'll get this one tacked on over here. Oh yeah, I gotta fill that hole in. Get too excited. All right, let's fill this in. Boom. Now I'll go to the other side, get that tacked in. Still not smart enough to put welding gloves on. All right. There. Done. My safety glasses here. Put my 1980s dust mask on. All right, get the doors off, prepped up. We're going to do a seam seal on them. I'll just show you guys how I do a quick seam seal, how I do it. I already did the hood here. Got it seamed all the way around here. So the hood's all ready for paint. So we're going to seam seal these. These will be ready for paint. All right, so I just got 3/4 inch tape. So what I do is I run the 3/4 inch tape along the edge, and then I'll get a close up after I get it done so you guys see exactly what I did, because it's hard to see from there. Then I just run one on the edge and one in further and put it the width I want my bead. Stuck in my mouth. So on these, it's a pinch weld up there, so I'm not putting seam sealer up there, just on where it's a rolled lip. And I'm using a 2-part, get nice and hard. I could sand it if I need to make it look perfect, or not perfect, because nothing's perfect, so I can make it look good. But hopefully I won't have to. Hopefully it will go on good. Make sure that's stuck around that corner, because it seems to peel up when it's bent there. So I don't know if these are seam sealed from factory or not, but customer wants them seam sealed, so that's what we're doing. All right, around this corner, and then I'll give you guys a close up onto her. See what I did here. All right. Yeah, so here's how I do it. Run it like that. Then I'll run a bead right there and squish it out with my finger. So I got both doors taped up there. I'll just do a quick, throw that on quick, and then I'll do another close-up. Yeah, so I just run her like that. Zippity bang. That's that spot that I fix right there. So I'll just cut it and make a nice straight so it matches the rest. There, bam. So those 3 panels are ready to epoxy seal and paint. So we might get to them tomorrow or the next day. It's a long weekend here, so yeah, I like to get shoot some green on these. Show you guys the color. They're all masked up. Cut in around the trunk there, and cut in around the engine bay. So we're going to be putting some green on her. You guys will see what color she's going. And also we'll probably be doing cutting in the doors and the hood. Maybe some hinges and stuff. I haven't got them hung yet. But the only reason I'm cutting these in is because I can tape up without leaving a tape line. But on the body of the car, I'm not cutting in around the door jambs or anything. I'm doing it all at once. Hey guys, I got the inside the doors cut in and the hood cut in. I was taking the video, but my phone decided it wanted to die on me. So now I'm doing a walk around just to show you guys what it looks like. This is the original Porsche color, 225. So that's the color that she's going. And I got in around the trunk cut in here. Got those all welded in and that fixed up. And in around the engine bay. So, yeah, it's all cut in. Like I said, I'm not going to cut in around the door jambs because I'm doing that all at the same time. So, that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like, and have a good day. Thanks.